In this quick guide, I'll show you how to add discounts in Zoho Books, one of the best ways to attract customers and boost your sales. Whether you're giving a percentage off or a flat discount, Zoho Books makes it super easy. Let's jump in. First, you need to enable discounts in your account. Go to your Zoho Books dashboard, click Settings, then Preferences, and open General Preferences. You see an option that says, Do you give discounts? Select at transaction level. This lets you apply discounts to the entire invoice instead of each item. You can also choose if the discount applies before or after tax, depending on your business preference. Once done, click Save to lock in your settings. Now let's apply a discount. Go to your invoice creation screen and either create a new invoice or edit an existing one. You will now see a discount field appear automatically. Choose between a flat amount or a percentage. For example, a 10% discount for a sale or a $50 0 cents off loyalty offer. Zoho Books will instantly calculate and update your totals for you. And that's it. You've successfully added a discount in Zoho Books. It's simple, quick, and a great way to make customers happy while keeping your accounts accurate. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy Zoho Books tutorials.